Qualaroo isn't just another survey tool. While most survey tools send emails after the fact, Qualaroo allows you to ask questions in context, right in the web, mobile, or app experience delightfully. We invented the Qualaroo nudge to allow you to precisely target website visitors in real time, based on time on site, button clicked, and more. On-site feedback is 10 times more valuable than email, since it's in context. It takes 2 minutes to set up, and then you can add new surveys to any page anytime, without bugging your developers. Our proprietary technology has served over 1 billion survey nudges on sites like LinkedIn, eBay, and TripAdvisor, and will never ever slow your page. Analytics tell you what is happening, but Qualaroo will tell you why. Optimize your website by asking the right questions at the right time. Ask only visitors that get stuck on a page, or only those exiting without engagement. You can even ask during specific stages of visitor lifecycle. Qualaroo lets you increase conversion rates by asking questions to targeted visitors during the sales process or those who are leaving your site without converting. For example, you can ask a question on pages with high bounce rates or on product pages with low conversion rates. Get product and user experience feedback and find out what your customers think of your product. Ask questions to any segment of your customers. For example, you can segment by the purchase price, date purchased, product usage, and more. Qualaroo lets you run NPS surveys to measure customer happiness periodically and take the ongoing pulse of your visitors' experience. Nudge surveys also work great inside mobile web and Android or iOS app, so you can use them to capture feedback, improve ratings, and grow usage. With Qualaroo, you can gather insights from any website, mobile site, app, upcoming design prototypes, and even any public URL like a competitor's website. Qualaroo records all results and displays them as easy-to-understand graphics. Our artificial intelligence technology makes it easy for you to analyze and know exactly what your visitors think. Sign up for a free Qualaroo account today to get started. We're here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.